it was no easy task tracking you down. Your contributions during the Q100 crisis remain one of this agency's best-kept secrets. Now we once again have urgent need of your expertise. Ex-operative Isadora Ramos recently went rogue while holding intel that threatens global security. Attempting to hide, she embedded herself with the environmentalist group EcoShield. We managed to isolate Ramos while she was scouting a derelict oil rig for an upcoming protest. Get onto that rig and do what you do best. Meticulous as ever, Asset. I'd wager you haven't lost a step these past few years. I trust you haven't been staying sharp by lending your services to any unsavory clients. In any case, it's good to have you back.